Right, hi guys, so in a second I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to show you my garden. So if you're following the channel, if you followed the channel, you'll know that I was moving house over the winter. We've been in here a couple of months now, and the garden is an absolute building site basically. I've got so many plans for it, so I'm going to turn you around now and give you a quick look. So I've got a huge garage which is absolutely brilliant, one for storing my gear, but also so I can do other things with YouTube videos and stuff. It's just given us so many options, and there'll be a part 2 of this where I'll show you inside. So moving around, yeah, you can see it's in quite a state. So I'll show you this wall. So I'm basically on building a wall. I took down part of the brickwork which was about there. You can see where originally it ran from there all the way to there and joined up there. But I'm wanting to extend this top bit now, just to move it back 12 inches or so, just to open out this space. So slightly different angles, you can see better here where the new wall is going to go. You've got the concrete footing there, and the idea is to lay a patio on this bit here, and the rest of the garden will be turfed. Because I'm quite a big pool player, I love playing pool, and what I want to do is just basically get like a proper outdoor pool table, lay the patio, get the pool table on it, and as I say, turf the rest. So loads of work. I'm filming this in early March. I'm going to try and get as much done as possible before my grass cuts kick off again, and I've been doing little and often. Up the back, I'll show you, we'll have a walk up. So up the back, I mean, I've just got rid of so much gravel. You can see from here, like, the gravel ran round the outside, so all that was sand. That was a stone paving circle. I'll try and get some pictures of what it looked like. It was like bushes and things that I've got rid of, but I must have got rid of about 15, 20 wheelbarrow loads full of gravel. I don't know why they put so much on, but there we are. So yeah, lots of big plans. So that's the garden. If you want to join us in part 2, we can have a look at the garage. And as ever, thanks for watching, guys, and obviously like and subscribe, that'd be great. Alright, cheers, bye.